Hi friends, my name is Raj and you are watching TechWhite. So in this video, I will show you if you are unable to access your shared printer on network. In this video, I will show you how to fix this issue completely, and you can see the error code as well, 0x0000011b. I will show you how to fix this issue completely. First, go to the host computer who shared the printer on network. So this is my host computer who shared the printer on network. So let's start. First, go to the Windows icon. Right click on it, then go to run option. Now type regedit to open a registry. Then press enter to open computer registry. Now on the left side, go to HKey local machine. Expand this folder. Now go to system folder, expand this folder. Then go to current control set, expand this folder. Then go to control option, control folder, expand this option. Now search for print folder, and you can see the folder print. Okay. Now on the right side, right click on it, then go to new, then select dword 32-bit value, click on it. Now type the name. Okay. Now right click on it, then go to modify. Make sure the value data is 0. Okay, then click on OK, then cut this window. Okay, now again open your run command and type services.msc, then click on enter to open system services. Now search for a service called printer Spooler. Now right click on this service, then click on restart to restart the service. Now that's it. Now check and your issue will fix. Thank you. Thanks for watching TechWhite. Have a nice day.